we are making a demonstration to show Sorokina's ability to detoxify heavy metal solution. Here we have a bottle of the heavy metal solution, and here we have a bottle of the Sorokina formula powder and a competitor's chlorella, and here we have 3 flasks of water, and flask A will have the heavy metal solution only, flask B will have the heavy metal solution plus the Sorokina powder, and flask C will have the heavy metal solution and competitor's chlorella. Okay, so first we will open the heavy metal solution bottle and take about 9 milliliter of the heavy metal solution and put it into each of the flasks. And each droplet is about 3 milliliter, so we'll make it 3 times. Okay, 6 milliliter. And 9 milliliter into flask A with the heavy metal solution only. Okay. And B, we'll put in the heavy metal solution into flask B, which will eventually have the heavy metal solution plus the Sorokina powder. And finally into flask C, we'll be putting 9 milliliters of the heavy metal solution. And at the second stage, we will be putting competitor's chlorella powder into this flask. Okay, and I think that's about 9 milliliters. Okay. And we'll give it a little shake. Okay, so now here we have the Sorokina formula powder. We'll take 1 teaspoon and then put it into flask B. Okay, and we'll be stirring the flask to mix it well and to let the Sorokina have the process of chelating the heavy metal solution. Okay. And this is the competitor's chlorella. We'll take also 1 teaspoon out and put it into flask C and stir. Okay. Now we have 3 flasks, and all 3 of them have heavy metal solution in it, and flask A is the control, which has only the heavy metal solution, and flask B has the Sorokina powder, and flask C has the competitor's chlorella. So now we'll show you how the chelation is being done. Okay, we'll take out the funnel with the filter in it, and we'll slowly pour flask B with the Sorokina powder in it to filter out the Sorokina powder and show you the final solution. Okay, this will take a little bit of time. Okay, meanwhile, we'll let it drop, and we'll also take flask C and pour into the funnel filter. Okay. Okay. So we'll let it sit for a while, and meanwhile, you can see flask B is being filtered. Okay, and very clear solution is coming out. So this is drinkable water now, without any heavy metals. Okay, and then we'll also here we have flask C with the competitor's chlorella, and the chlorella itself is being filtered out. But if you see the final solution dripping down, it's still not quite clear. In fact, it's still yellow. Okay, so let's add a little bit more of the solution in flask B and flask C. Let it filter a little bit more. Okay, I think that would be enough. And flask C, just filter a little bit more of the solution so we can take a very definitive look at the final filter solution. Okay, I think it shows very clearly now. Flask B with the Sorokina powder, and in fact the Sorokina powder has chelated the heavy metal solution and holding the heavy metal, the molecules, and what you have left is the clear water. And on the other hand, you have flask C with heavy metal solution and competitor's chlorella, and you still have the heavy metal solution coming out of the filtrate. Okay, then let's take out the funnel. Okay, and take out the other funnel. Okay, so as you can see, very, very clear water, fit for drinking. And on the other hand, flask C with the competitor's chlorella is still very yellowish. I don't think I want to drink this. Okay, thank you. This will be our demonstration today.